Hello, sunny, bonani, beautiful people. I come bearing good news. Well, these are not even good news. There's good, there's gooder. These are goodest. The goodest news ever. Carry On Comedy is back with another holiday of a lifetime. I remember last year when I was in Ibiza, a lot of you were sending me messages wanting to know what is this holiday of a lifetime. It is happening again, and you too can join us for this wonderful holiday of a lifetime, because we all work so hard and sometimes you just need to just go away, relax, and just laugh for a few days and then come back to the bump and grind. But it's going to be happening and you can join us. It's going to be next year in May, from the 4th of May 2023 to the 8th of May. And you can start now, pay your deposit, pay monthly, pay everything if you have the cash. But there are so many options for you to start paying small, if that's what you are comfortable doing. And please go to the website and check out all the accommodation options that are available and everything that is going to be there at the holiday. I'm so excited. I hope as many of you as possible are going to be able to join us, because like I said even last year, guys, this is something that is such a brilliant idea. And the good thing is, with Cyprus, you can get a Schengen visa, which means it doesn't matter where you're coming from around the world. You can just do the 4th to the 8th in Cyprus and then sneak into another European country with your Schengen visa. Maybe do another weekend in Paris, a few days in Ibiza, and just make it a wonderful holiday. May is one of the best months in Europe in terms of weather. The weather is beautiful, so you do not want to miss out. And if you already live in England, I don't even know what your excuse is. Just buy your tickets already. And there are options for you to just pay deposits and pay monthly. By the time May comes, you've paid for your holiday. And I like that they give you options. You don't have to have like a lump sum right now, pay everything. You can just pay a deposit to show that you are interested, so that they can reserve your place for you. And if you guys, I will leave the link so that you guys can just check out what you missed out on in the previous years, what you missed out on last year. And yeah, just go on the website, and that way you'll get all the information and prices as well. And I promise you, the prices are very reasonable. They are very reasonable prices. They are very comfortable prices. And this is a holiday you do not want to miss. And they always bring the best comedians, including your one and only. So see you there, guys. I'm really excited. I hope as many of you as possible are going to take advantage of this wonderful opportunity to travel and see the world. You know, I am big on traveling. The thing with traveling is sometimes we try to travel, but if it is not your thing, some of us are not organizers when it comes to traveling. You end up going to a place and you're just stuck in a hotel. But with this holiday, because everything is so organized, there are so many activities and things to do. So all you have to do is just show up, and everything is already organized for you. Everything is already arranged for you. And I promise you, take my word for it, you are going to enjoy each and every day. And you do it once, you will do it forever. There's no one who's done it once and never come back. So please do the right thing. Website down below. Go and check it out. Love you guys. Hope to see you in Cyprus, May 4th to the 8th, 2023.